Okay, PVHS students, this is the parallel lines by angle copy. So we're going to go to new. So we should be signed in. Go to new, start GeoGebra. Then we're going to choose geometry. And then we don't need the calculator at the bottom. Okay, so let's construct a line that we want another line to be parallel to. Before I do that, I'm going to go to options. I'm going to go click on the main menu, go to options. I'm going to click on labeling and all new objects. And then I'm going to go back to the white space and create a line. I want to create it slanted so that I could, prove that it's perpendicular. Not perpendicular, I'm sorry, parallel. Okay, so then this is so we're going to create a line. Then we're going to have to create a line that crosses it. So we're going to construct another line that transverses across line AB. Okay, and so this line is CD. It's called the transversal. So we see an intersection point here. Let's use our intersect tool to create the intersection, just like in our notes. Then we're going to use the circle. We're going to go to the circle menu, circle with center through point. I'm going to create a circle that, let's just let it go through line D. So we're going to create a circle all the way to line D, point D, I'm sorry. Okay, now we're going to go to this menu. So you don't have to, it just selects, it doesn't create anything. I'm going to zoom in a little, drag a little. Okay, notice we have this intersection point here. This is going to be interesting to us, so let's go ahead and use the intersect tool and create this intersection here. Okay, point F. Now I'm going to drag this up a little, zoom out a little, and I want a parallel line that goes through, let's say, point C. So I have to copy this angle. So I'm going to use my compass tool. Compass, go point E, point F. I'm going to put that circle around point C. Okay, now so I have this angle, point D, this arc of the circle DF should look like, I want to copy it to here. So let's use our intersect tool and intersect circle D with line segment CD or line CD. Okay, point G. Now we're going to use our compass tool again. We're going to copy this angle here, point D to point F. I have a circle that has a radius of DF. I'm going to put that around point, I'm going to place the center on point G. Go back to my move menu. So notice where the circle where point G, this angle is equivalent to this angle. So I have an intersection here that I want to create or construct. Okay, so now I have DF and GH are the same angle, so let me create a line through CH. And if you notice, no matter how much you zoom in or zoom out, these lines are never going to intersect. So you've constructed parallel lines by copying the angle. And in fact, let me do one more thing. I want to do a polygon, and I want to go here, and I want just to color code the angle that we're talking about that we copied. Let's just create a triangle there, and I want to select it, make sure I go to my move, select it, and I'm going to do this blue, and this one also blue. Just this color code, see those angles are the exact same. And if you have angles that are the same, then that means you have parallel lines. Okay, and no matter how you move it or adjust it, it still retains its integrity or its properties. Okay, thank you for listening, PVHS students. And